Let's play! It's so good to see you all again! Wow! It's the farm songs! Let's play! Red! Who is it? Zenon!
My car has a horn. I think it's very funny. Many people say hello when I get to the corner. Ouch! I think we have a flat tire. Shh! Yes, we have a flat tire. My car never stops. Neither does my horn. I'm going on a journey. On a journey. I'm going on a journey in my noisy car. And it's a game to spend my time like this, driving my noisy car through town.
Wow!
Well done! Let's keep going! Let's play! Purple! Who is it? It's the horse!
My draft horse is the biggest and the best. He works so hard and that is why I love him. He seeds everything then gathers in the harvest. He has no schedule and has no target. He takes us all to school and then grandma and her tools to the market to sell milk, cheese and fresh butter. Just check out his belly, it looks just like piggy jelly. Of all the animals, he's the best one. My draft horse is the biggest and the best. He works so hard and that is why I love him. He helps pull the... Wow!
Excellent! Let's keep going! Let's play! Black! Who is it? The parrot!
There's never been a case like my parrot Pepe. He keeps talking all the time, interrupting conversations, saying what he likes. He could never keep his mouth shut. On his head he has a crest. It's always a crazy mess. The other day someone sent him a comb so that he could fix it up. Hello Pepe. I'll give it to you.
I'll give it to you.
Hello, Pepe.
Hello, Pepe.
How are you?
Congratulations to everyone! Remember to subscribe to our channel to discover more colors. See you soon!